Today I will show you how to fix missing GIF on Instagram. Hey, welcome back. This is me Yusra, and this video gonna be about Instagram GIF option or feature which is missing on your account. You can see that this is showing to me, but if you have problem, I have two methods you can use it to. So first method is go into your app store or Play Store, search Instagram, open it, and you can see that my Instagram is updated. And if your Instagram is not updated, update it, and after that this feature will show on your account, because in updating minor bugs are fixed and the new feature is showing on your Instagram. If this method doesn't work, so I have another method which works 100%. Uninstall your Instagram app, open your browser, tap on search bar and search old version of Instagram. Tap on the second website, which is Instagram old versions, all versions. This is the latest version showing here. Click on it. Click on download latest APK. Click again and download it. When the download completed, and then you will install app, and after installing you will get the option of GIF on your Instagram. I hope this video helped a lot. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.